In this video, we'll see some methods for transforming artwork. So we'll see how to rotate and reflect shapes using different ways. In this artwork, we have some birds, in which I'm going to create the missing parts. To do that, I select the selection tool from the tools panel, then I come over to this bird on the left, and I click on the eye to select it. This eye is being grouped with its eyebrow, so I'm going to make a copy for them to create the missing one. To do that, I choose Edit, then Copy, and Edit, then Paste in place. Now I have two shapes, one on top of the other in the same place. The copy is selected, so to flip it, I come over to the Properties panel and I click on this point in the right center to set the reference point. Then I click on the Flip along a horizontal axis button. Now I drag this beak upward, and I need this beak to be on top of the eye. So I click on the Arrange button in the Properties panel, then I choose Bring to Front. Then I come up to the menu above and I choose Select, Deselect. Now I click across the bird to select it. Then I click on Group in the Properties panel. I click in a blank area to deselect it. Now I'm going to make a copy of this wing using the Reflect tool. So to do that, I click on the wing to select it. Then I come over to the Tools panel and I click on the little arrow in the lower right corner of the Rotate tool to show the Reflect tool. So I click on it to select it. Now I need to set the Reflect around point. So I move the pointer to this point. It will help me to place the wing into its position. I click to set the Reflect around point. To make a copy, I press and hold Alt K or Option on Mac, and I click and drag by rotating like that. And when it looks good, I release the mouse, then the key. I select the selection tool from the Tools panel, and I click and drag across the bird to select it. Then I click on the Group button to group its part. And to deselect it, I choose Select, Deselect. Now there is a missing foot for this bird, so I'm going to use another technique to add it. I press and hold Alt and Shift key, then I click and drag. I release the mouse, then the key. I come up to the menu above and I choose Object, Transform, then Transform again, or you can simply press Ctrl K and Tab D. I click across this foot to select it, then I press Backspace to delete it. To finish, I click across this bird to select it. Then I click on the Group button in the Properties panel to group it. And I choose Select, Deselect. Transform artwork using the rotating and reflecting options in Illustrator is a really easy way to do some pretty transformations to create artwork. So do some practice in your own design to master these techniques.